Tina wrote in to ask about her 15-month-old who has split nights where they're awake between 2 to 3 hours in the middle of the night. They're exhausted and wonder where they should start. What are you going to say, Laura?
My goodness. All right. So it really sounds like your daughter has biphasic nights. Ordinarily, when a child is awake for that length of time in the middle of the night, it's a circadian rhythm disturbance. And we need to make sure that their sleep overnight is in line with what they actually need. So if your daughter is sleeping for like 5 hours at the start of the night, then awake for 2 or 3 hours, and then are sleeping for 4 hours after that, they may only have a 9-hour sleep need in total. And so you'd want to have a bedtime and a wake up that just encompasses 9 hours or maybe 9.5 hours.
Essentially, if they're waking for 2 or 3 hours overnight, even if it's just some of the nights of the week, they're probably being offered too much opportunity to sleep. And so often what we see in these particular families is that after having a split night where they're awake for a few hours, they go back to sleep, and then often parents let them have a big sleep in because they had a terrible night, right? That reinforces that timing difficulty that you're having. It tells their circadian rhythm it's fine to wake up for 2 or 3 hours in the night, because we'll just have a long sleep in, or maybe we'll have a really long day nap or an extra day nap, or maybe it's an early bedtime. So decide on what daily rhythm you're going to follow, make sure it fits their unique sleep needs, and then follow it. Even if there's a terrible night, you get them up on time, you push through, because after a week, the problem's fixed.